Alright guys, been a little while since I posted a video. Airplane going over, hope that don't mess up the sound. We're doing some blocks, trying to get the shop floor finished. It's quite the operation. And the rabbits keep chewing my string lines into, they chewed the one on the far side into again. I just want to show everybody with the Sequoia here, and I do this stuff quite a bit with it. We have 2 pallets of blocks. I started unloading this one last night. These are 40-pound blocks. The first set we got, or these thinner ones, are 32 pounds, and these actually weigh 40 pounds. I threw one on the scale. And doing this big project, you know, Getty's the Sequoia a lot. It has 404,000 miles on it. It's never had a transmission, never had an engine. This was what, let me see here. All right, so it's 2 pallets of 75 blocks. So basically 150 blocks at 40 pounds a piece, which is 6,000 pounds. Pulled it no problem at all. I feel like we could have hauled the 3rd pallet without any issue, but there's nowhere to strap it down in the middle. We didn't really need a third one anyway. Now, we do have the air ride on this thing, and you can see it's actually sitting pretty much perfectly level. And you see videos of guys with 1st gen trucks, you know, or people that don't own them, they put them up with the little backhoe. Oh, this truck can't even pull this. No, that's not true at all. There's just something wrong with it. We pull the little tractor, which that blade isn't very heavy. With the big box blade on it, it was like 7,800 pounds or something like that. Very heavy tractor with a front end loader. I pull that all the time. What we're going up against with this load is we're approaching the max on the trailer, so you gotta be real careful when pulling. If I turn real sharp, I turn the trailer brakes off, like in a parking lot or backing up in here, and do that. The biggest thing on these, make sure you turn the overdrive off at slow speeds. You don't want it locking up the torque converter at low speeds. In theory, everybody says that'll mess up the transmission. I don't know. I always done it. Never had a problem. But yeah, there's a 404,000 miles looks like, and with 33-inch tall tires, pulling it no problem, no issue whatsoever. In fact, I've had a lot heavier stuff pulling with it. So just a quick video, guys. There it is. We'll see y'all later.